Hi, I am Guillem Palau. I'm using SuperMemo. That will be my fourth try, my fourth day actually trying the software. So today I have been doing 2 hour session. The thing is that I did not use SuperMemo at the weekend, so I had a 2 day 2 days off. I must say that I think this didn't affect much because almost all of my recall was good and I remembered most of the shortcuts. So what I did learn today is that I had one issue that Q or A wasn't working. So for instance, I will try to reproduce it now. If you look at the active button, now it's add new. If I press Q, it doesn't work. Nor does A or E. But if I click left, now learn it's the highlighted button. Now Q works. So I guess that in those moments that Q wasn't working was because of the highlighted button. As easy as that. So finally, this is solved. Then, moving on, you cannot do several closes, at least with the built-in super memo. And then I have another trouble that it's for splitting articles. It's pretty easy. So let me try it now. What is to do? No, not this one. Incremental writing, reading, visual learning. So I have this article. It's kind of short, and what I want to do is to split it. So what I can do is click here, the super memo commander, then search for split, and and a window should pop up of either H1, H2, H3, and to choose among the boxes, check boxes, and that's it. But I don't get this window. And now, as you can see, it's like some window is open, but it's not. And the only thing I can do is click escape and escape again. I know why it's not working. So I have the window selected. Then I click on this, split, and it's not working. If I do the same but without the window selected, split, it doesn't make a difference. So I really don't know what I'm doing wrong. So if you can help me, I will be pretty much appreciated. And that will be all for today. Thank you.